Thanks. Wow. What's up?
What is up, guys? Thank you for tuning back into another video. Today it's gonna be a little cruise slash me. It's gonna be for finding Nick because it was his birthday a couple days ago or yesterday, I'm not sure. But yeah, we're just waiting for all of them to pull up. Everybody's like, most of them, everybody's already here, but we'll see. Stay tuned. Sick car pulling up. G80. That thing is synced. That thing's pretty clean. Finally, the man came through. What's up, baby? Dude, he's sick. All the Beamer boys. Jeez, that was clean right there, bro. Look at the orange accent on there. Turnout for the Humpy Nick. SBJ, bro. All these people pulled up for Nick, bro. Got 3 GTR'S right here, including Nick's. I like the blue one there. I think it's sick. What's up, bro? Happy birthday.
Thank you, bro. I appreciate that. Thanks for coming.
Oh, yeah. That's sick. There's carbon in this one. Medium setup. Pretty sick. I like the purple on this one. Even Andre's here. What the heck?
Wow. What's poppin'?
What's up, bro? How you doing? Got the man Kicks right here. What's up, bro? Give me a Supra on a fat tire. Wonder how much it's making. It's the whole me right now. So I guess after we're gonna go to a canyon cruise. So I don't know how that's gonna go, but hopefully everyone's safe, you know, because everybody likes to drive crazy. Everybody getting rowdy, man. There's a lot of people, bro. Alright guys, looks like most of us has made it to the top. There's some people pulling up right now. The people still pulling up. That's where we parked. There's still snow in the freaking in the mountains right now, man. Well, I'm blocked in. I'm not gonna be able to get out from there. People are driving up here freaking crazy, man. Pretty dope turn out. We're getting rowdy. All of us pulled up here safely. That's the good thing. Bro, I'm telling you, there's still fucking snow right here. There's freaking still snow up here, man. Crazy. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! He said he's pushing like 750. You smell the heat for sure.
Well, I do remember that
Pretty sick. People are liking the Evo. You're looking in the back because I have no back seats. You're the celebrity here, man. You're the celebrity here, brother.
They're the biggest celebrities. He's not gonna drive. Well, I'm so bad, like my shit stopped working. My music. We're going back? I thought we built up a little more. Get it! We're going back, I guess.
So I decided to leave my car in the bottom, just get to be safe. And actually, Andre gave me the opportunity to come in his BMW, man. So shout out to him, man.
We outside.
Come
on, you gotta get all the good shots.
That's right, that's right.
Of course, where's your right there? That's it. The good old Chris days. How's it going, guys?
Believe it or not, guys, out of the 3.5 years that I've owned my Evo, I've actually never took it up to one of these, to a canyon. I mean, I don't know why, I never wanted to go because, I mean, I'm always by myself, so I don't know. I don't feel like it's fun to go by yourself, but I don't know. But yeah, this is my first time taking my Evo to a canyon run, and it was fun. It was cool. Alright guys, that's going to be it for today's video. Hope you guys like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in another one. Peace.